Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to make circuits in Tinkercad. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to click over here on circuits, right? So now we're going to create new circuit. So that's going to bring us into the circuit tool. I'm going to move you over here so I've got a little bit more room to run. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag out a breadboard, all right? So now the breadboard I'm going to put over here. Now we're going to need a battery, so I'm going to drag out a 9-volt battery for this. And I am going to bring the positive out to here, and I'm going to change that color to red, and I'm going to bring the negative out to here, change that color to black. All right, so now we have our breadboard. Now notice when I'm here, it shows me what things are connected. So the power rails are connected all this way, right? If I'm in the breadboard, see, it shows me that these are connected this way, right? So these 5 holes are connected. So now I'm going to bring out an LED so that we can make a circuit. I'm going to bring out an LED. Now I'm going to leave it red, but I am going to use this tool up here to rotate it. So I'm going to rotate this around. Now it shows you here on that this bent side is the anode side or the positive side. The straight leg is the negative side. All right. So I can take a wire right from here to here, and I'm going to make that a black wire for negative. All right, now I'm going to show you what happened. I'm going to take a wire from here to here. All right, we're going to make that a red wire. And now I'm going to start simulation. That's how we make it work. So I'm going to hit start simulation. And oh, you see this current through the LED is 915 milliamps, while the absolute maximum is 20 milliamps. So I'm driving way too much current. So we got to figure out, we got to find a way to do less current. Well, that way is a resistor. So if I hit my delete key, with that wire selected, I should be able to get rid of it. Okay, so resistor. I'm going to drag the resistor out. All right. Now, if I left it this way, it wouldn't work. So I'm going to turn it. All right. So I'm going to turn it. Oops. Back one. All right. So now it's connected here and here. So I can connect my positive to here. And I'm going to connect from here over to here. I'm going to make this a red wire. I'm going to make this one a red wire. Right? So now when I hit start simulation, hey, it turns on. Right? So that's my circuit right there. So that is my really basic simple circuit for doing a LED with a resistor.